Hi, my name is Dean, and I'm sometimes known as Neon Dean. Drive around in this incredible car. Gets a lot of attention. Lots of lights on it. But what I'm trying to do is sell my shop, which is this item. Whether you want to take over this space or not, I'm not sure, but that can be talked about. But what you get is virtually everything except this little pile of my personal goods. Glass. This is a blower motor, which I'll turn on in a moment. A little few tools. And behind here is the propane tank that's feeding these torches. This is my manifold to do all the processing on the finished neon tubes. There's the vacuum pumps that you need to suck out all the impurities from the tubes. Here you have your 10 kVA transformer and your preamp. Series of switches it goes through. And that's just you don't get that. You get everything here down. Let's see. Table. A bunch of materials to work with. Mercury spill kit, mercury, what else? Couple testing transformers to age in your tubes after they're finished. You get extra glass, gas, some electrodes, whole bunch of parts to repair with. A few little parts in here maybe. Brass caps and screws and the like, some plastic, and then a whole bunch of like this is stuff to finish off the tube after it's done, to mount it into the plastic, and that is it. So that's what you get, and I'll show you in little detail what it's like to get this place going. So let's do that now. First thing you do is when you come in is this switch is broken. This is just turns on the vent. And then the next thing would be to close the manifold. These two stopcocks are stopping the air coming in through these guys. These are the vacuum pumps, which I'm going to turn on one at a time. Okay, turn this guy on. Stop the air. Open up the main stopcock. See the pressure come down. All right, so that's that. Now we'll turn on the blower. Come over here, turn on. Alright, so here I am, just about to splice a piece of glass together and put a little bend in it. Bringing it over now to the ribbon burner. That can go from anywhere from, like 1 or 2 inches all the way up to 16 inches if you want to make a nice long bend. The other 2 torches there, one is the crossfire that I was just in to splice glass together, and then you have your little handheld that's for tipping off and for splicing 2 pieces of glass together in maybe a delicate or tight situation. Just marking the glass here for the next bend. Just making simple bends, 90 degrees. Just making some kind of 3-dimensional abstract piece here. Yeah, everything you get in the shop is, well, everything. You get everything. You get everything from the glass to the electrodes to the tube supports. Through walls, you got GTO wire, you got GTO cover, mercury, and a mercury spill kit just in case something bad happens. You got a manifold that can handle 2 tubes at the same time. You can bombard 2 tubes. So if you're doing a lot of neon, you can certainly speed up your process that way.
We see if there's any leaks.
Vacuum pumps work perfectly. There you go with the spark tester in case you might have a leak. This will detect it before you go any further, so you can fix it before you bombard it.
There's a leak.
That'll light up a very high intensity little light if there was a leak in it. So here I am bombarding a tube. I'm watching the gauges to see how many amps are going through it, and what the pressure is inside. Takes about 3 to 4 minutes to actually bombard a tube. After that, I stop the first vacuum pump, and I open up the high-powered vacuum pump, suck everything out, add a little bit of gas, bring it over to the aging table, make sure it works, tip it off for the final time. It's under negative pressure, so it just sucks in on itself. And that is it. You have yourself a neon tube right then and there. So those are to replace some tubes on my car. There are my 2 vacuum pumps. That's the manifold system. There's the transformer and the preamp, 10 kVA. There's the little bit of coming from the high-powered feed to power it. You get a box of glass and a whole bunch of tube supports and wire and stuff and mercury and a mercury spill kit. Everything you need to make a neon sign. Absolutely complete, 100%. Spark tester, and let's see, that's your rheostat to adjust your power coming from the transformer. Like I say, mercury spill kit if you need it. You got some fireproof paper for patterns, and even a whole bunch of extra glass that I'm going to give away too. So thank you.